everyone, I just wanted to show y'all this really cool chair that I got for my birthday. It's an A688. It's a really nice chair, and the main thing that I like about it is that it's a 4D and 3D dual mechanism chair, and it has 20 programs, so you can adjust it however you like. And it has this really comfortable kneading cloth, not kneading cloth, but the kneading massage on the calves. It's really nice after a long day at work. And it has this touch screen right here that you can control the chair. And it also has for you to charge your phone. And it has these really nice LED lights on the side, so you can use the chair at night and you can have a really nice massage in the dark. And I love how the dual mechanism gets your upper back and lower back at the same time. So it's a really nice chair.